man, on our first kayaking trip.
It's about time.
Check it out, y'all. We got the kayaks over here, man. We ready to torture this lake. This beautiful ravine park. About to check it out, you know. Do what we gotta do. This way riding with. I've never done kayaking before. I've never done this. My boy Mike, they was doing it, you know. That boy said I'm finna flip, but I ain't finna flip, bro. I'm telling you, we gonna go crazy. My boy sent me on a bobber, bro, for real. We probably got a hook going and stuff, cause he said that I'll probably be best doing this, so we're gonna see. We're gonna get to it. I never, hey, it should be just like a dumbbell, right? Look. What is this, bro? Who the fuck uses this shit?
Time to get in.
Fuck. So, I ain't got nothing valuable in here, so if I tip.
Hey, flip your paddles around, other way. Yeah, there you go.
Ooh. Yo, I've been trying to learn this whole thing, and yo, we in it. This doesn't seem real right now. I'm just doing it, you know. I don't even know how to work this. Yeah, man. Y'all see we out here on kayaks, fucking feel me? Hey, we can do anything in life. I'm telling y'all, we here. We in the middle of a deep ocean, man. We gonna catch some fish. Y'all gonna see. Man, you good? And it's a bluegill, man, on our first kayaking trip. So these hoes biting. Hey, my stuff was getting chopped before, but yo, we got us a bluegill. Let's go. We on the.
Oh, you don't even want to fish for it.
I do, bro. We out here.
I'm trying to actually catch some fish.
We gonna catch some fish.
Set up.
All right. Are they biting off just a hook and a worm? That's really what this is. Huh? Oh damn, you hooked it on nicely. I'm just saying, like, if I just put my worm on the hook, oh damn, that was a good cast. Oh damn. Fixing to catch some for real. What I tell y'all to do, bro? Pack a whole bag of snacks, cause these hoes are definitely coming in clutch right now, man. For real. Got the fruit snacks. You already know I got my sunflower seeds, man. We gonna be coolin'. My boy Mike fixing me up again. Yo, the barber is not gonna get fucked up this time, bro. We both, bro. He told me, bro, the barber was the best bet for beginners, bro. Literally, I caught a fish, a bluegill, the perfect fish. I should have kept it, but literally, it was on the barber, so you know we finna go crazy.
So move. Do you see where that green thing is?
Where?
Reel in, reel in. Look at your line and wait till you see a green thing.
Yeah.
Green thing?
Yeah.
Scoot that down a little bit. Scoot it down.
All right. My boy got me hooked onto a bobber and a worm, man. About to see where this takes us, you know. Reeling it a little bit. I can see our bop is all the way down there. But yo, we right next to the water, bro. Like, don't get us wrong, bro. We right here in the water, bro. We just floating in it. Let's go, bro. This is a great experience, man. We just here. My stuff hit before, bro. It's not hitting right now, but it will hit. Literally just got chumped. We at the spot where we catching. It's over here. Back at where we started, man.
Let more line out.
Got my boy Mike. We on the vintage films right now. What you gotta say?
Hey man, we catching big points out here, man.
Yes, sir.
Realistically, the biggest bass and panfish I hit. God, I caught a 2-pound bass. Might not seem like a lot, but in this lake, that's a lot. Hey man, it was a smooth little day out here on the lake. Caught some decent little fish, and it was fun, bro. It's less about how much fish you catch and more about the experience while fishing, enjoying Mother Nature, getting outside, You know, getting a little dirty, a little slimy, and just having fun with it. That's all we did today. We just have fun with it.
Y'all heard him, man. We just enjoying out here, man. I think my bait's probably gone by now, but yo, we just enjoying. We having a good time. Smooth timing, you feel me? Look, you can't hate on this, bro. This is beautiful shit we're doing, man. We just out here, just cooling, man. I'm telling you, we're blessed. Thank you, Jesus. Yo, we finna catch some more fish soon. Kayaking, bro. Me and my boy Mike, we both caught a fish.